Okay, here we are again. Another week. Excuse me. So I have a sip of my coffee here. In the week of Forex with USGFX Australia. Today, July 20th. As you can see, the market. I'm still in gold. The market is still going up. We're around 12.29. I think I'm going to be out on this one at 12.34. Let's see if I can even show you where my out. That's another purchase price. Where's my out on this? That way, you can see what we're doing. Of course, when you need something done, it never works, right? Anyway, so this is there it is. There's the gold trade. That's the higher up. Here it is. This is the 34. Okay, this one here is the one we're going to get out of today. Hopefully, it's a little early. It's around 12:30. I'm getting out the market a little early. Let's see if we can figure out what there it is. $82.65 profit on this trade, and that should be, as you can see, it's starting to spike up a little bit. That's on the quarter. Let's go to the 15 minutes. You'll see it. Once it gets away from this trend line, we'll be fine. Okay, let's see if we can get you what you want to see. You don't want to see the chart. You want to see this here, what we're doing with this beautiful account here. Here we go. Okay, here we are. Let's go to where we always start. If you want to see the previous videos to this one, go to Facebook or YouTube. Look under Vincent's Accurate Forex Singles. Here's the account number, 100295514. It's a live account. That means this is real money we're trading. The account number's never changed. The date is never changed. Nothing in this account has ever changed except the gentleman has added more money. I will show you where he did that. So all the way down. Here it is. He decided just a few days ago, he decided to add another $1,000 because he saw that the account was going well. We had doubled this account. I think it went from 300 when we got it because another money manager, if you go to the previous ones, you'll hear the whole story. Another money manager destroyed the account, lost a guy almost 70% of his money. I got back all of it. We doubled the account, I think, twice. We went from 3 to 6 to around 1100, and it's back down now to around I guess 900, let's say 800. This is not a true number here, only because he's added more money. As I told you, anybody's going to change the account, they're going to add money. So this is around $800. The reason this is down here is we've got live trades on the opposite side, and as you can see, we're not down that much. So this, in essence, will probably be only down $200 today. Once again, 20% of all trades will lose money. Anybody who tells you he's making money every week, every day, every month is lying to you. I have bad months. Everybody has bad months. Expect out of a 12-month, let's say year, 12-month year, you will have 3 months where you don't make money or you go backwards. That's why this type of investing is not for everybody. Okay, it's high risk. But we make good money when we do it right, and obviously I'm doing it right or the account will not be growing like it did. What I do now is I go to the top, and then I'll start telling you about my programs. And the reason I go up to the top, I go very slow so you can take frame by frame, add everything up, all of the money. Some people like to add this up to make sure that everything is true and that we're not doing something wrong. And if you can see, everything is done correctly. Okay, all of it will add up to these numbers, and we will be down around $200 probably by the close of today. You can see this in the next video next week. Let's see. Here you'll see a lot of the gold trades that we got out of. Here 35, here 56, 114, 115. This is all in one day, by the way. 70. Well, actually, the dates are here. You can check that here. Let's see what else we got here. And then we got a couple of hedges. A hedge is a reverse. When something's going against us, like the gold went against us for a couple of days, we open up the stop losses and we do the reverse trade on the same amount of money, which means we've locked the loss, which means we can't lose or make any money until we release the hedge or trade against the hedge. Unless you know what you're doing, do not attempt this or you will be wiped out. Okay, so we did it. We walked away with $300 on a reverse hedge, which it should happen. Okay, so now you know that we're down a couple of $100. You know that we can lose money doing this, but this account obviously in the last 2 months has made a 400%, maybe even more, 400% increase in profit since we started. The programs I offer are: I will manage your money once you open an account with USGFX. excuse me, Australia. Once you follow the links below, either on Kijiji, Facebook, or YouTube, connect to the link, open an account. I will manage your account. I also have other accounts that we do different types of trading, and I'll explain those in a minute. With the managed account, I expect to be paid 50% of all profits at the beginning of every month, which means every month we start new. If I don't get paid my 50%, because I'm working very hard for that 50%, I will no longer trade for you. You can leave your account with USGFX. You can trade in my other programs, but I personally will never manage your account again. It's about trust. You need to trust me. I need to trust you. And I work free for almost 30 days a month until that final day comes on the end of the month where I expect to be paid. And I've had a few people not pay me. They've had different excuses. And you know what? It's all great. It all sounds nice. I'm not interested in working for you anymore. It's that simple. I expect to be paid at the end of the month, like I said, and all the stories in the world will never change that. I've also had some people insult my website. It's okay. I guess I'm not really a technical guy. You want to insult the website, that's fine. Give your money to somebody else, like I told you in an email. I really don't care. I won't work for you. At least I have your email address and your first name. I see an account like that even opened up. You can open up with USGFX. You can be in all of the other programs I have. I don't have a problem with that. But I will not trade personally for you. I don't need that. Okay, my other programs, which I will trade personally for anybody who disrespects my websites. Paid to trade program. Every time you make a trade in your account, you will get money from me. I will wire it to you, email it to you, however it is to get money to you. In Canada, we can do it through the CIBC Bank. It's an instant, I think it's called an e-trade, an e-transfer. You can get your money in like a few hours. I pay $10 for every full lot that you trade. This is accumulated at the end of the month. When you get your monthly statement, I will have one, you will have one. We will look at the numbers together. If it says, let's say you've traded 10 lots. At 10 lots in total in your account, I will give you $100. I will send you that money. That's your money. It has nothing to do with me. I will pay for you to trade your own account. The only thing with this, there's a restriction. I personally cannot trade your account and pay you. There will be a conflict of interest there. You either trade it yourself and I pay you, or I trade it and you pay me. The other one is what I've started. It's a big lot program. It's for accounts of a bigger size. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Any account over $10,000, I will trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I will go to that account right now. This is basically an account that has approximately $10,000 in it. It's got 12 United States dollars in it. This is also a live account. If you look up here, follow my cursor, all the way up here. This account here, standard, Union Standard again with USGFE. This is a hedge account. We trade big lots here. That means 1, 2, 5, 10. This is where you make serious money. But look at the losses though. We have not done very well. I think we had one good trade. Okay, so right now this account is down $542. Hopefully by next week we'll be up maybe $2, $3, $4, $5,000, 50%. But this is a hedge account. Okay, I strictly do a different type of trading here. I have actually a system that I built, which let's see if I can even show you how it looks. Let's see. Right here, see these? These are trades that could be placed in by what I guess you call them a robot. But it already has a certain amount of parameters that we trade. I developed this with a guy in New York. We trade certain parameters. The market has to have certain conditions, certain parameters, as you can see here. This one here, that's a long position. See auto trade, it's a sell position. Trade 10 units of the NASDAQ at that number there. When it gets here, it will open up the trade automatically, and it will hedge the trade automatically all the way down and protect it and come back up and make us money or lose us money. The last couple of days, the reason for this is range trading. We still haven't worked out the bugs for the range trading, but once we're in a trend, we make some serious money with this program. Now back to, these are the trades that we're following now, back to the account that you guys follow on YouTube and Facebook. That is the big lot program, which we only trade Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Tuesdays. Those are the high volume days of the market, and we will only make 12 trades or be in a trade for no longer than 12 days a month with that program. That I'm starting to get people, as you can see now, that are starting to put money into that one. That's an account we're managing now. In this account here, the regular managed accounts or the paid to trade accounts, I'm starting to get a lot of people every day. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. I will answer the questions as best I can. If I can't answer them, I can't answer them. I mean, I can only tell you what we're doing. I can be straight with you. I can be honest with you. I can show you the accounts. When we lose money, we lose money. This will be a $200 day loss. This week has not been great. I mean, we've got the U.S. president who keeps tweeting. Every time the Congress does something good, he does something in reverse. So we have to deal with that. But we're still making money. This account is still seeing at least 100% return every month on this account. At least, you know, we've gone backwards twice. This is the second time we've gone a little bit backwards, but the account keeps going forward, and that's what you want. You want the account to go forward. Once again, if you have any questions, send them to me via the email vincent32767@gmail.com. If you want to open an account, just follow the links on wherever you found me, on Kijiji, on Facebook, on YouTube. I think even Google AdWords now has started. I think USGFX advertises worldwide with my website. So you'll probably see me on Google AdWords pop up all over the place if you're looking for a manager. Once again, I'm cutting out a little early. I'm going to go to the clock again. You can see it's 12:30. So this number here is going to change probably by $200 by the looks of it. It looks like we're going to be out of this because I'm probably going to close this trade here, which is an 85er, and this is going to be a 60 here by the time it ended. So it's jumping up right. This is the one that's going to make us 60, and that's going to make us, this might actually make us 100 and change. Anyway, well, let's go back to the account. So this number here is going to change. I'm leaving early today, as I call it, the trading desk. So you will see all of this probably next week, the results. But this is what's happened this week. We haven't done bad. We have not done bad again. And like I said, anybody who tells you that they're making money every single day is lying to you. We average 1% a day, 30% a month. 20% of all trades will be losers, and you need to understand this. Because some people get involved in this and they start to see something like this, where you have a complete $600 loss against your account, and you start to panic. And I keep telling people, relax, it turns around. Just as fast as it goes down, it comes up. But you need to be able to handle this type of investment, and it's not for everybody. Once again, Vincent Sansaloni, 32767@gmail.com. I guess we will see you next week. Have a great weekend and enjoy this weather. It is unbelievable.